Today we are going to create a missile launch from our cube or from our player. For first thing we have to set a button in the scene. In our canvas. So go to pause button, where is okay. Now add an empty, call it missile under quick canvas. Okay, perfect. Okay, set a shield button. Okay, our button is there. Now take it big like this. Launch. Rename it in the text launch missile. Take the size bigger. Okay. No, oh sorry. Now select the button and move it down. There. Yes. See in the game. Okay. Move it down. Okay, now it's good. We can use an image like of the pose rectangle button. So go here, rectangle button, and we have to move it to take it bigger. Big, so big. Finish it. Okay. And move the text down. Take it. Amazing. Select the text white. It's better. Okay, perfect. Now save the video, edit script, and at the end write public void shorten, yes, like a drink, and write float 0. You have to set public game object initial, and under instance initial new vector 3 0 4 0 zeta more 0.9 f plus quaternion identity. Now we have to set to the button the player and add the function from event video shot. And on player we have to assign the missile. So create a 3D object cube. Okay. And make it okay, this is our missile. Call it missile prefab and add to the prefab folder. Okay. Now we can destroy this and check missile forever and nothing it. Okay, amazing. Now see if we instantly hit it with the button. Where is it? Sorry, where is it? The X bar is too big. We have to change it. So we could take the position 0 and on the X is point transform on position point X. See no. Okay. Now it's good. It's on our player. We can take it more. And there are two. Try this. Okay. We have to change this to okay, now it's good. Amazing. Alright, now you have to assign to missil prefab a script that I will give to you gratis, free, and this script is missil. Okay. Copy the script in your game. This is for follow in the first 5 seconds. Our missile follow our target, and after 5 seconds it will continue the movement to the direction. It's an easy script but very useful. You learn a lot for this. I don't see. See? The arrow. Add target. Our target have enemy. I see target. Okay, now it's good. And also a velocity. I see. So R. Speed is 10, no 5, 10. I don't signal. Okay, our missile collide with the cube. See. If the cube, we have to set that if the missile collide with the home, it will destroy the home and destroy missile. Okay. Wait, a lot of long. Change it. Set 2. Is better. We don't have the collider, but it is good. Okay, it's all for today. We set our missile, and in the next video we will set the collider, and we will take this game next. And we will do a series of all video of this game from start to end. So follow us, support us on Patreon, please, and thanks for the views. See you.